Head lift. Begin by lying down on your back with your knees bent and your feet standing. To place the Myssage balls, draw the chin toward the chest, lifting the head and shoulders up off of the floor. Press the balls in under the trapezius muscle on both sides of the spine, and then lower your head back down to create the pressure. Make any adjustments needed to find comfort. Now interlace your fingers and create a cup with your hands. Bring the cup behind your head and drop the weight of the head into the support of the hands as though it were a bowling ball. Sense how the pressure is increased. Then draw the elbows toward the nose and lift the head, chin to chest, and then lower the head toward the floor. Do this a few times. As you lift the head, exhale, use your core strength. And as you lower the head, inhale, opening up the rib cage. Come back to a neutral position with the head and then begin a circle. Using your hands to support the circle. Do this in both directions. Now come back to a neutral position and open the left elbow, allowing the nose to follow it, lowering the head to the left. Inhale back up, and then let the right elbow lower, allowing the nose to follow it, lowering the head to the right. Now take the hands out from under the head, roll side to side, taking the balls out from under, and shake the shoulders and the head to disperse the energy. Come to a still point to track sensation.